Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning, where we do a daily update on the progress of the growth of the garden in 2025. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow. And like we said, the growth of the garden, even with this little warm spell, as long as there is food and water and warmth for the plant, it'll want to try to continue to grow and to produce fruit. Wow, these are ready. These are ready for harvest. I'll have to come out here and take down the ones that are ready before they actually fall on the ground. Oh yes, I see one down there now. Right there. I'll have to get that one off the ground. Don't want the squashes to rot before we can harvest them for the winter. Oh yeah, look at this one here. Still a bit of green there. Yeah, I don't know, can you see this? Let's see. Oh yeah, see the slant. That's something else that'll have to be fixed. As the weight of all the squashes just pulled the whole assembly over. Oh yes, there's the fruits of our labor. All the squashes and giant zucchini that we didn't find, just laying around. And our pepper plants down on Pepper Row, still have some peppers hanging off them. But all this will soon just die off. And if we lived in warmer climes down here, where the winter was mild, like say, like the same kind of temperate winter conditions you would have in, let's say, Victoria Island, or right down in Halifax proper itself, you know, where you don't really get a, well, not Halifax, they sometimes get like a -40 blow through. But as long as it's not like around -5 or so, you can probably save your pepper plants and then get them to continue to grow fresh shoots the following year. From what I've read online, in certain climate conditions, that is not the growing zone that we have here, unfortunately. Now let's look at our sunflower. I wish there was a light button on this camera so you can see what the hell we're looking at. But really, what we're seeing is the squirrels having the perfect spot just to sit right here on top of the fence and munch on the sunflower. And our zucchinis. Zucchinis that never stop. It was the old joke. I think someone was saying there could be a nuclear war and the zucchinis would still continue to grow. Yep. Certainly not wanting for zucchinis. Now look at this crazy vine, eh? All the way out of the box, all the way across the flagstones. If we do this again next year, we're gonna have to mix it up. It's just too lazy to move all these assemblies to rotate the crops around. I have to do something. Our beans are producing wonderfully. It took all summer and it took till September until I started getting a decent crop of beans. Interesting. I mean, I started planting those in May. And then late July, a few beans started finally, you know, like not really a lot. It's just not been a good year for growth. Maybe the virus did infect the plants. This summer, the kind that reduces the yield by 30 to 40%. Other potatoes. I didn't get a good yield on the potatoes either. But like I said, that was bit of an experiment this year to see if all those green potatoes harvested last year would work as seed potatoes, and they did, just not prolifically. And a giant kale bush for all the onion shoots. Yes, well, you can't go wrong with an onion bed. All right, well, let's go in the front and see how the critters are munching on those front sunflowers. Well, here we are in the front, where we go straight to our little lavender plant. Oh, poor plant. Should have really given you more water this year. Our corner pumpkin. Still getting food, so we will leave it alone. And, oh, the disaster, the humanity. Yeah, come on in, boys. Eat this good. Well, the seeds, are the seeds big? Let's see here. Yeah, they're not ready, but good enough for critters to eat. And our dying zucchini plot. Guess the zucchinis on this side are not as prolific as the backyard. I should have just stuck with trying to grow pumpkins. And our morning glory here in the back, still stringing along. Yes, just let you continue to grow and flower. All these flowers still good for pollinators. We still need to collect it. Although it's a little early right now this morning, so you're not going to see any pollinators out. Now, still chomping away. Put that one in the garden. All our other morning glories, they're coming out. They're out just fine. Any white ones today? Any white ones? Let's go on the other side. Oh, all the different colors. Oh, there's a little white one in there. There. Okay. Well, 2025, that has been the growth year pretty well. This video will be going up tomorrow, Monday. And we mentioned tomorrow we will be starting a new broadcast covering the CPAC question period on the other channel as we slowly bring our gardening channel to a slow grind and then a halt, because, you know, the garden is coming to an end, as is the summer, as the fall approaches, as is life. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.